Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two dryer vent cleaning tools. So on the left, I got the Sealegend. This is the two-piece. Now it's different. This is the Sealegend cleaning hose. It doesn't have a brush with it, but you got this handle which goes down and is attached to the hose to help you put the hose into the dryer to help clean it. Now they both have this attachment that you're going to attach to your vacuum, but this one hose is a little bit different. It's like it's a little bit different shape, but you have this brush that is separate that you can go down in there and kind of clean things out. So I'm going to show you exactly how these attach to a vacuum cleaner, and we're going to clean out my dryer with it. But again, this part is going to attach to here. You're going to push it in, and now I've got this hard wire here is attached to the very end. You don't take this off. You leave that attached. That's so you can get down in there, snake it through into the dryer to do more cleaning. So we're going to attach this. Over here, this one end of it attaches like this. This is like a rectangle. And then you put this down in the dryer. It's kind of rigid, so it is a little easier to put down in the dryer. But you're also going to have this flexible cleaning brush that you can go down in there and kind of loosen things up with. And then again, you're going to put your vacuum cleaner right in here. So let's go see how they do. Okay, so let's try my dryer with this round hose one without the brush. You're going to take any kind of vacuum cleaner. It'll fit over the nozzle pretty good, and it seals really good. Now you're going to turn your vacuum cleaner on, and then you're going to kind of feed it down in here. You want to get past, but I can direct it down in there with this handle. So let's turn it on. Okay, so this is where I take the lint trap out, and I was able to get down in there and kind of snake it around a little bit. I got some more work to do, but I think it's going to do a good job. Okay, so you simply attach it to a vacuum cleaner. It's made to fit several different sizes. Just push it on there. It's going to seal around there. And then this is the part you're going to put in there. Now what's nice is, again, this is where the lint trap was. I take the lint trap out, and then you got this brush. You're going to this brush has got like semi-stiff bristles. You're going to go down there and you're going to loosen some of the stuff up. See, you got all kinds of stuff coming up. And now you're going to turn the vacuum cleaner on. And then that way we can get it nice and clean. So let's turn the vacuum on. Okay, so again, you might have to alternate, go back to the brush. I can kind of stick it in there, get it all nice and clean. And if you've got two people, you may want to be able to, you want to do both of these at the same time, but it might be a little harder that way. Now go down there and let's clean. Okay, you can see that brush really does help it get clean. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, we can see it's really clean down in there now. That did a good job. Okay, so these are a little bit different. You know, the opening on this one is not as big on the round one. It does get down in there a little bit easier. I do like that this one comes with, so the two-piece comes with this brush. And that brush did seem to do a good job of loosening stuff up and then getting this one down in there. This one's not quite as flexible. I could put this other end on there, and maybe this would be a little more flexible to kind of go down in there a little ways. But I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.